Welcome to another Tickera tutorial. Today we will be talking about Tickera Shortcodes. They're rather easy to use and their functionality can make your event page stand out even more. The shortcode button is located on every post or page, in classic WordPress editor, just above the text area as you can see here. Let's click the shortcode button and see what kind of options do we have. You can see a drop-down menu, and on the top of our shortcodes list is the ticket Add to Cart button. To navigate through different shortcodes, click on the select box here and choose shortcode you would like. We will head back to the ticket/Add to Cart button shortcode. This shortcode displays an Add to Cart button with some additional information depending on what attributes do you use. The most important one is to set the ticket type for which you want to display the Add to Cart button. We will do that here. The link title option is the text of a button that adds a ticket to a cart. The default is Add to Cart, but we will write Add to Basket for the sake of it. If your tickets get sold out, that's amazing, but still there needs to be some info that there are no more tickets left, and that's what for this option is. I will leave it as it is, and the value the tickets are sold out will be displayed. You can choose to show or hide the price of the ticket type with the show price option right here. We'll set that option to yes, so our customers know how much it might cost. Depending on where you display this option, you might want to set it to no, if there is already information about the price. The price position is used to show the price before or after the Add to Cart button. If you set the Show Quantity Selector to yes, your customers will be able to choose the number of tickets from where the shortcode is displayed. It is worth noting that this option doesn't exist when Tickera works integrated with WooCommerce. We will set this option to yes so we can see how the selector looks like. A link type option allows you to either let the customer stay on the same page while their ticket is added to the cart, or you can send them straight to the cart page so they can finish their purchase. We will leave the cart selected. Let's click Insert Shortcode and see what we got. As you can see, it looks rather basic, but that's what for this option is. Just an Add to Cart button to be displayed at a specific position. If you wish to view more information about the event, like the tickets table, then the next option is for you. The next shortcode is named Event Tickets. This shortcode will display a nifty tickets table with the ability for your customers to add those tickets into their cart. Let's view it now so we can see what we are working with. If your tickets are not showing up, make sure to have some created in ticket type section right here. Or if you are using it with WooCommerce, make sure to have some of the products created as tickets. You can see how it looks like. We got the ticket types here, quantity here, and the link to add the tickets to the cart here. Let's head back to the shortcodes options. I'm just gonna clear the previous one here and make a new one. The options are similar to the ones we had in Add to Cart shortcodes. The first option we need to choose is the event for which we want to display the tickets. For the demonstration purpose, I will select Tickera Fest 2020. If you open this shortcode in some of the event's post types, you will not be able to choose any other event except the current one. The reason is that we didn't meet anyone who wanted to display the tickets from a different event. Just as in the previous shortcodes, the link title option will change the text for the button that adds a ticket to a cart, and once more, we will replace it with Add to Basket for the sake of it. The ticket type column title, price column title, cart column title, and the quantity column title are the titles for the columns of the ticket table as the name suggests. You can change it to whatever you like. Usually people who use a language other than English change these titles. If you manage to sell out your tickets, that's once more amazing. But customers need to know that, and that's what this option does. When tickets are sold out, the message from here will be displayed on the front end. You can choose to show or hide the quantity selector with the option Show Quantity Selector. We will set this option to yes. Link type option here will allow you to choose what happens when customers click Add to Cart link. If you select Buy Now, they will be taken directly to the cart page. I believe that this shortcode might be the one you will most often use. But if we continue further down the line, we will see that there are many other shortcodes that we can use for our event or any other page to look more impressive. The next option, Event Location option, is pretty straightforward. It will display the location of an event in a text form, just as you have set it in your event. We will choose the event and check it out. As you can see, it is displayed right here. Event Terms and Conditions shortcodes will display the event terms you have set in your event. Very straightforward too, as you can see. Event logo and sponsors logo work the same way as the previous two, but these will show up as images that you have set for your event. Let's check them out. That's nice. The following 4 shortcodes that we will check out are used to show a bit of your event stats. This one will show the number of tickets sold for an event. The second one displays tickets left for an event. The third one displays number of sold tickets, and the fourth one will show the number of available tickets. I'll just put them all into our content. As you can see, all of these 4 shortcodes have only one option, and that one is to select the event. We will just set the larger font for them so they would look a bit better. Okay, there it is. If you have not set the quantity option in the tickets type, this option will show the infinity sign. But in this case, I have set the quantity, and as you can see, all the info is right here. Display order history for a user doesn't have any options. It will just display to that user what his orders were in the past. The user needs to be logged to view them, and the orders that have been purchased while the customer was logged in will show up here. That's what you need to know about the shortcodes. Any Tickera add-on that you install, if it has shortcodes functionality, it will show up here with similar options. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for some of the latest Tickera tutorials, tips and tricks. Goodbye.